Hey, what's up everyone, this is Marian. Welcome to the second video tutorial on Premiere Pro. On this one I'm going to show you how you can edit a simple video using just the basic tools on Premiere Pro. So let's start off by creating a new project and give it a name. Choose an option to make sure that it goes to the desktop. Give it a name. Select this folder. Okay, so this video gets saved on the desktop. Click OK. And now that you've created a new project, you can start off by creating a bin for audio. Right click on the project window and create another bin for video. This is how I do it. It looks pretty organized. Double click on the audio, double click on this again, go to media, audios, choose a random audio file and do the same for the video. Go to this video, I'm going to choose the second clip, and you see the frame rate, which is 60 frames per second. You can slow it down even more, 50%, and that's going to end up being a slow motion video. Secondly, create a sequence, and I'm going to choose DSLR 1080 24 frames per second. You can have your own sequence, just choosing this one, and double click on the video, double click on this video clip again, and it comes up to the source monitor. You can either drag and drop it or double click on it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it right wherever I want to. Okay, I'm going to leave it here and click on mark in to mark the video in. I'll stop it and I'm going to click on mark out. Okay, so you've selected this part of the clip and you're not going for the entire clip. I'm going to insert, and this will automatically go to the sequence which is here. Make this small so that the video file on the sequence is visible. Move the header here, the play header right to the beginning, and does not match the size of the frame. So what you need to do is right click on the video and click on scale to frame size or set to frame size. Now it's matching the frame size. You can also enlarge this audio file so that you can see the left and right channels. So now I'm going to lock this video, and then I'm going to select the audio and then delete it. I don't need the audio. I'm going to unlock it. Okay, and I'm going to go back, choose the audio which I have, music, right? Music track. You can do the same mark in and mark out for this like you did for the video, but I'd rather not do it. Okay, so before I do this, I'm going to slow this down by right clicking on this video and clicking on speed duration, making it to 50%. It's a slow-mo. It's going to run slowly. Let me show you that. Here it says 50%. Playing it. So the more frames on a video clip, you can slow it down more. So click on this, drag this audio, put this fella right here, move this here, click on the razor tool to cut it, and click on this selection tool, V, to get rid of this. The razor tools shortcut is C, like in Charlie. I'm going to click on this, delete it, tapping the delete key on the keyboard. And when you hover your cursor here, you get this mark, right? So you right click on this, apply default transition, and it ends smoothly. Do the same for the video. That is it. You can play it, and after which you can export this file. Okay, so what I'm going to do is click on File, Export Media, choose H.264, and choose whatever option you want to. I'd normally choose YouTube 1080 if it's going to YouTube. Click on this and make sure that the file is saved here. You can save it outside. Just give it a name, hit save, and the output summary is here. Okay, then its estimated file size is 22 MB. Make sure that the whole video is selected. You can reduce the size of the export by moving this, but I need the entire one, right? And I'm going to click on export to export this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly like and subscribe, share it if you can, and please feel free to let me know if you need any tutorials specific to Premiere Pro, and be happy to make one. Have a good one.